Everyone, this is Kibo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video ang Kim Pao compilation. So I won't take any longer. Let's start this reaction video. Feeling nyo, endgame na. Feeling nyo? Ako feeling ko endgame na eh. Feeling ko talaga. Feeling ko na ano na to eh, napirmahan na to. Tapos ng usapan dito sa Kim Pao. Sila talaga, and aside from that, feeling ko ano na, nag-tied na to ng knot. Wow! Charis! Ito ba, KJ? Feeling ko lang naman. Huwag sana akong i-judge. Charis! Ay! Ay, gwapo talaga. Gwapo ni Paulo dito. Yes! Diba? Oh, loko, simple. Dinner date pa more. Akala nyo hindi namin makikita yan, Kim Pao? Kitang-kita namin yan for today's video. Chares! Ganun talaga. Ay, bongga. Grabe yung mga ugat sa ano ni Pao. Mga kamay. Diyos ko, mga kaugat-ugatan. Chares! Diba? Ganda naman dito, sabi. Cute. Showtime. Ay, may showtime? Huh? Okay. Ay, hello. Iba sila mag-kiss. Ay, iba sila mag-kiss, no? Totohanan. Ano talaga yung kiss nila, matotohanan. Charis, totoo lang, walang eme. Kung sila mag-kiss talaga, pak! Bongga! Atake, di ba? Atake talaga kung kiss yung kiss. Yun yung totoo. Oh. I mean, ganyan ba talaga dapat? Charis. Kiss kung kiss talaga. Yan talaga yun. Oh. Loko. Loko. Oh, saan nyo siya dalahin? Yan yung sinasabi ko. Happy sila mag-kiss. Parang walang bukas. Oh. Pak! Oh. Ay! Hi, Pao! Gwapo naman ni Paulo.
For kids.
Tingnan mo parang cute siya mag-smile. Gusto ko ma-achieve yung buhok niya.
Ayala mas Formosa, if you have time, if you have kids, or if you want to see the place and see the kids enjoy or have them interact with other kids, please do come.
Gwapo!
I'm sure you won't be disappointed.
Sabi mo, ugat siya sa kamay, oh.
I hope you guys get to see the place.
Cute! Ay, hello! Sino yan? Oh my God! Pao, totoo ba?
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Blowing you, can't you see? Beat drop hard, we in the zone.
Because I met you. Ay, ano to?
With all these people loving what you guys are saying. Oh, peace. I know you guys are tired, huh?
Baca! Muncul! Jalan!
Shallow.
Dress up, kiss me.
Go! Charing. Wapo talaga siya. Grabe, hindi pa niya just imagine. Sila lang pala ang ending. Oh, Diyos ko, si Kim talaga at Paolo yan. Si Kim talaga at Paolo. Ito yung play safe ni Paolo. Ito si Paolo.
We use pebbles kasi it's safer than sand, yung standard na sand na soda. So, it's better and not easy to put in your mouth. Here's the creative play. It's not just about fun, but also about learning plays. So you can just also update the motor skills and other skills. Not just for
Ayun yung akyatan pa na.
parameters naman of safety. So we've tried it all. Aside from the big ball, hanggang likod pa yung
Parang space. So hence the spaceship, the stars, the aliens.
Yeah, basically
and the medyo sci-fi.
yung ditong part.
Medyo safe. Si Bugsy rin has been going around non-stop. Check kasi. Pwede kayo pumasok ah.
Yeah, try nyo. Go inside.
Gwapo? Eh, Kim lahat yan, ma'am? Totoo ba? Ay, tapos ang usapan. Charis. Tapos ang usapan.
Hello everyone, I'm inviting you all to come and try Play Space. It's a new playground.
Gwapo. Diyos ko, tititigan mo lang yan, Kim. Mawawala pagod mo. Tsaka yung ano kasi sa kanya, para siyang baby. Kahit may edad na siya, para talaga siyang baby. Tingnan mo. Iba ang kugupuhan ni Paolo.
I'm sure you won't be disappointed. So Play Space is now open. I hope you guys get
Gwapo. Diba? Oh? Grabe, ang classy pa niya. Classy and sophisticated, no? Pag maglakad siya, grabe ang tindi niya. Ang POV when yung Tadre at Paolo Abilino was his daddy. Anyways, that is all for today's video. This is Kimo Vlogs. See you in my next vlog. Bye.